Yo, 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 what's up, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money, and in this episode, we're going to talk about a stock that we called back on December 2nd and December 5th before it went parabolic, and it's making some noise again. The company is called AVXL Life Science Corp, and the ticker symbol is AVXL. This is the website. You can take a look at the website for yourself. And just to give you a little bit of information about what the company is about, they had an article that came out on December 2nd after management reported positive top-line data from a phase 2B and 3 study, which evaluates its lead pipeline candidate, AVX 2-73 in Alzheimer's disease. So basically, they had some positive results on Alzheimer's. They also have treatment with Parkinson's disease and things of that nature. So it caused a situation where the stock started to move parabolic, and we have this type of activity in the past 30-minute calendar, 10 days. You could see that there was a spike at a price point as high as $14.88. The price action moved down to $7.53. We called this stock first on the second before its big parabolic run with our private Discord. That would be this date right here, and it was purchasable at a significantly lower price than $14, that's for sure. And then we called it again on its next parabolic run, which was on the 5th of December. So it had two parabolic runs, and it was all on high volume because the stock has a pretty high float, so it needs a lot of volume to move. The float's 75 million shares, and its average 30-day volume is 2 million shares, which is kind of low right now. But that being said, we had a situation where we looked at Friday's chart, and you can see that the stock has started to form a cup and hopefully a handle, and you can see that it's starting to have a dead cat bounce. Look at the price action on Friday. From $8.33, the price action started to plummet and, tried to recover, get over VWAP, consolidated below VWAP, started to plummet, and now is moving back up. So if we have volume, this company could potentially be another runner. Now, that being said, if you're interested in finding out about our picks, pre-market picks before they run, you can certainly join our private Discord. The link is in the description. If you're interested in up-and-coming IPOs before anybody finds out about them on social media in our Discord, you can go to our IPO Discord channel. It's only $5 a month, and you could sign up for that. Or you can watch the YouTube videos for free, but that information comes out a little bit later than the private stuff, which comes out hot off of the press. But let's get right into the stock. Let's talk about AVXL. It is a NASDAQ stock. As we said, it has a 75 million float, so again, it needs a significant amount of volume to move. We did see price action where it looked like it was doing a bit of a dead cat bounce. There is recent news regarding the Alzheimer's medication study that went well for them, and basically we've got a situation now where this stock could potentially run if there's enough volume. We're not financial advisors. We're not stock professionals. We're not telling you to buy the stock, sell the stock, short the stock, long the stock. We're just giving you a show and telling you a little bit about stuff that we're looking at. There is quite a bit of chatter on social media about this stock, so we figured we'd do a review on it. We did call it in our TikTok as well. That was after we told our private Discord a half hour to an hour earlier than that, and that was on December 2nd. So if you're not following us on TikTok, it's DBL Nicks on TikTok. DBL Nicks at DBL Nicks on TikTok. And you can follow us on TikTok as well. We do a lot of our calls on TikTok as well. And you can also follow us on Twitter if you'd like, at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money. These are all different channels that we have. So let's get into this. They had the recent 8K that discussed the progress that they had with the study. that they did for Alzheimer's. That was on December 2nd. They're a clinical stage biopharma company. They develop drug candidates for treatment of central nervous system diseases. They have 38 employees. They're located in New York, I believe. Yep, they are New York-based, NY-based, and their lead drug candidate is a drug called AVXL 2-73 for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease and Rett's disease. Phase 2 treatment of Parkinson's disease and preclinical trials for epilepsy, infantile spasms, Fragile X syndrome, and a whole bunch of other stuff that I can't pronounce, and I will not even attempt to pronounce. Okay, they focus on neurodegenerative diseases, and they also have AVXL 1-41 made to treat depression, strokes, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's. And that's what we got on AVXL, AVXL, AVXL Life Science Corp. All right, so with the right amount of volume, we could potentially see some price action. Let's take a look at this chart. Let's look at the chart and let's see what's going on. Again, not a stock professional, not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm looking at and what I'm thinking about potentially getting involved in if the right amount of volume comes in. Right now, the volume is at 2 million shares for 30-day average. I want to see a 4x, 5x of that to see the stock move. I'd like to see news. It's on my watch list. We'll see what happens. Right now it's at $7.65, $7.70 after hours. You can see the price action. You can see the different levels. There's a resistance and support area at $8. There's a resistance and support area at $8.60, and of course there's a resistance area at $9.04 and at $9.50. So there's a lot of resistance points, but look at this, at the $10 mark there's no resistance for a solid $1.75. So if there is volume and there is news, I think that this stock has the potential of going parabolic again. Not advice, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just telling you what I think. I am not a professional. I'm not giving you advice. It's a show. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Boom. All right. This was filmed on Sunday, December 11th, 2022. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'm out of here. Peace and much love. The links for the different Discords are in the descriptions, so you can sign up and check out what we got going on. Amazing communities, massive calls on those. All right. Peace. Bye-bye, everyone.